dear students. Hoping you all are fine and doing well at homes. During this corona break, your college has started this YouTube channel to provide you guidance. So, I am here to discuss with you a very informative and interesting essay of English Book 2, The Dying Sun. Sir James Jeans is the writer. He is known for his science fiction. This essay is also telling us about the creation of the earth and life in our universe. He compares the littleness of our earth with the universe and provokes us to think whether our life is in the plan of the universe or just a chance. Let's have a look on the lesson. He says, a few stars are known which are hardly bigger than the earth, but most of them are large that thousands and thousands of earths can be packed into them. So in the first paragraph, he is telling that our universe is very little as compared to the universe. These millions of the stars are wandering about in space. A few form groups which journey in company, but most of them travel alone. So, in the second paragraph, he is telling us that the stars are very far away from each other. So, it's very rare chance that they can come close to each other. In the third paragraph, if we study it, he is telling us, we believe, however, that some 1,000 million years ago, this rare event happened. So, in this third paragraph, he is giving us a theory that a star came near to the sun and it put some tides on the sun. So, due to the tidal pull of that star, a big mountain was created on the sun. When the star started to back, due to the tidal pull, this mountain was torn into pieces and those pieces were thrown into the universe. Some pieces were thrown very far away and some were very close to the sun. The pieces which were very far away, those were very cold, and the pieces which were thrown near to the sun, those were very hot. So life was not possible on them. Only our earth was the one piece which has the ideal conditions for life. A temperate temperature, good environment, so life started here. But what he is saying that there is no life in the universe except our earth. And our earth is very small part of the universe. So it gives us a sense of insecurity also. The only thing is that he is telling us that life can exist in a very narrow belt, and luckily we are in that narrow belt. There is no other lucky planet where life like us can exist. Now come to the questions. First of all, the question is, how is that a star seldom finds another star near it? We have discussed it in the second paragraph that due to the long distances, stars cannot come closer. What happened when, according to Sir James Jeans, a wandering star wandering through space came near the sun? Obviously, you know that it made a great mountain due to its tidal pull on the surface of the sun. What happened when the wandering star came nearer and nearer? The mountain started becoming bigger and bigger. What are planets and how they come into existence? So look at the remaining questions and answer those according to the chapter we have read. Okay, Allah Hafiz. We will meet again with the second chapter, inshallah.